Hey everyone, welcome back to Strong Path. Today I've got something super exciting for all you fitness enthusiasts out there. We're making a crazy breakfast smoothie for bulking that's packed with 1000 calories. Perfect for those looking to gain some serious muscle. Let's dive in. Here's what you'll need: a banana, avocado, oats, peanut butter, protein powder, Greek yogurt, whole milk, honey, and some spinach if you want to sneak in those greens. First, let's add our banana and avocado. These are great for adding creaminess and healthy fats. Next, in go the oats for some complex carbs, peanut butter for that extra protein and flavor, a scoop of your favorite protein powder, Greek yogurt for a creamy texture and more protein, whole milk to blend it all together, and a touch of honey for sweetness. Finally, a handful of spinach if you're feeling adventurous. Blend it all up until it's smooth and creamy. Look at that. This smoothie is not only delicious but also packed with nutrients to help you bulk up. And there you have it, folks, a crazy breakfast smoothie that's perfect for bulking. Give it a try and let me know what you think in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more awesome recipes. Cheers!